Welcome. You finally made it to my channel. Thank you for being here. While you're visiting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot. While you're here, let me share with you 5 hidden details in your car that seem random. Well, they're not so random after all. Today, we're unlocking 5 hidden car features you probably never thought twice about. But once you know, you'll never forget. Let's dive in. First up, the tiny extra notch on your seatbelt. Ever wondered why it's there? That little plastic piece isn't just decoration. It stops the buckle from sliding all the way down the belt when it's not in use. Without it, you'd constantly be fishing around for the buckle every time you strap in. A simple design that saves you time and frustration. Next, take a look under your rear view mirror. See that little tab? It's called the day-night switch. At night, headlights from cars behind you can be blinding. Flip that tab and the mirror tilts to reduce glare, making night driving much safer. It's one of those small features that most people overlook but use every day without realizing it. Third, the metal rods on your car headrest. Yes, they keep the headrest in place, but here's the hidden feature. In an emergency, they can be removed and used to break a car window for escape. A built-in safety tool most drivers never even think about. Try pulling one out. You'll be surprised. Fourth, check your gas cap. Ever notice that little hook or slot on the inside of your fuel door? It's designed to hold your gas cap while you're filling up, keeping it clean, secure, and preventing it from dangling against your car's paint. A thoughtful feature hiding in plain sight. And finally, the mysterious dots on your windshield. Those tiny black dots and patterns aren't random. They serve multiple purposes. They help block sunlight, reduce glare, and ease the stress between tinted and clear parts of the glass, preventing cracks over time. It's a design feature that protects both your eyes and your windshield. So now you know your car is packed with hidden features that make driving safer and smarter. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Dusty Seconds Tips and Tricks for more everyday secrets revealed.